Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So in this video I'm going to explain you one of my trade which I took a couple of months back. The reason why I'm choosing this trade to explain to you is because it's quite an unusual trade. I deployed around 13 lakhs in this trade and made 18% ROI, which is 2,50,000 rupees profit. Let me just explain you in detail about what happened, where I entered and why I call it unusual. So before that, please make sure to like this video, comment if you have any doubts, and also please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Hello guys, so I have time techno chart and daily time frame, and I took a lot of trade in the last 2-3 months, and I picked this stock to explain on YouTube because the entry here is quite unconventional, and this is a place where most would think twice to enter, but we had our own reasons as to why we entered in this area, and I'm gonna explain you why. Okay, so you can see that time techno has been consolidating here and then kind of a breakout, and then it was forming a good consolidation again, and you could find that there is a triangle pattern inside the channel pattern, and I came across this stock exactly at this point. Okay, I waited for one day. When I found this stock, I waited for a day to check if there is going to be a breakdown, because there is a chance that it could break down, right? So I was expecting that some kind of a spinning top or a doji candle would happen next day or something like that, or even a green bullish candle, and then I would enter. So that is what I had in my mind, and exactly this is what has happened. My average price was around 104.10. This is where I entered, basically in this doji candle. I mean, I entered at 104.10, and then it went down a little bit on that day. So my stop loss here is very easy. So here most would think twice, because last 5 days it has been falling drastically, and why would they enter here, right? To me, I entered here because my stop loss is very less, and I'm happy if my stop loss is hit, okay, because it's very less, and if I make money, I'm gonna make at least twice or thrice of my risk. So this is how you catch good risk reward setup trades, and you have to be ready to enter at a place where no one would dare to enter. And so yeah, this is where I could have entered in the this day itself, but I wanted to check if tomorrow it is going to break down, or there is going to be a rebound. So basically I waited for the day, and then I entered here. Okay, and my exit was exactly in this day at 123.25, somewhere around here. The main reason was it was kind of forming a wick, correct? So I didn't want to risk much, and I had already made 1:4.64 or something. So this is where I exited 123.25. Okay, so exactly here you could say, so 1:4.5 I've made. So for every 1 rupee I risked, I made 4.5 rupees, basically, to put it in a simple way. And the main reason is risk reward ratio, and that is why I exited. And also kind of a wick has been forming here, which indicates a selling, right? So this is how you capture good risk reward setups, trades, and this is a beautiful pattern, and it did work out. And the important thing that I want to explain here is that after I entered 17th of August, right, the Nifty drastically fell. If you look at that, this is when I entered, and in the next 2-3 days it was falling, and until 29th of August it was falling, right? Only after 29th it started to rebound, correct? So if we look at time techno, until 29th it was still going up. Time techno did not follow Nifty, and even I was like a bit surprised. I thought my stop loss would be hit, and I was fine with that, but to my surprise, so certain stocks, it will move if it has to move, and it doesn't follow Nifty. Okay, and this time it did not hit my stop loss because I stick to my plan. Sometimes I would get a lot of DMs on my Instagram asking like, the SGX Nifty is falling and the US markets are falling, should I exit my trade tomorrow? Generally I just say that stick to your plan and exit if your stop loss is hit, right? So I stick to this trade because my stop loss was not hit. This is where I would exit my trade. So if the price is not going there, I'm not going to exit just because the Nifty is falling down. Okay, you have to stick to your plan no matter what. It doesn't matter if your stop loss is hit, if it is because of Nifty fall or US market falling or even company results. If you have a plan, just stick to it, and you don't have to worry about any other any other news or anything, because once you have entered, you should stick to the technicals. Okay, you have entered in the stock because of technicals, right? Not because the Nifty was moving up. So this is a very important thing. Some stocks do have some strength and they can go against the market, and this is a prime example. Okay, and I did post this on my community, and many were able to book good profits, 12%, 13%, 17%, 1:6 ratio. Yeah, he almost got 1:6. Really? Let me check if I measured it correct. Probably he entered at the bottom or something. Let's say if he entered here. Okay, yeah, probably entered at the bottom of the candle or something. So that is why 1:6. A good job, Tarun Kumar. 17%. A lot of people booked a good amount of money, and if you want to be a part of it and trade stocks like this, because this is how you learn and earn practically. And so there is an offer going on already. It is valid until November 6th. So use the code JFT400 for enrolling to the equity course, and we have recently launched our option course as well. There is an offer for that as well. You can just go to my website justfortraders.in/options. The offer code would be JFT Diwali. So make use of the offers if you want to be a part of it. And as I said, recovery of scopes V is easy. See, no matter how the market condition is, we can always spot stocks that can that helps us make money irrespective of the market condition, and this stock would be an good example of that. So I hope you learned something from this video. The main important thing is that be prepared to enter at a place where the risk is low, and don't be bothered about the Nifty. Just let's say you entered the trade and the Nifty is falling, don't care about Nifty. Okay, stick to the stop loss. If it is hit, that is completely fine. So these are the main two takeaways, and I am planning to come up with the potential stocks. I think the recent the potential stock video about Aventel I posted right after this breakout. So it consolidated a little bit, and then look at it. Wonderful move. I think I posted it here. Look at this 40% move, and I did see few comments in this video, Aventel video, and few people made 30%, and I'm happy for it. And this is why I'm on YouTube trying to upload potential stocks video. So please do not forget to subscribe, because you may miss potential stocks video like this. And also please make sure to click that bell notification also. Okay, and let me know in the comment section if you want potential stock video, and if this video gets 5k likes soon, definitely I will post one potential stock video again soon. So thank you so much for watching this video with patience. See you soon again.